Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Kraken trading application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Kraken app on your device and you will now see the create account as well as sign in button. Tap on the create account button to sign up and now you will be asked to enter your email address. After entering your email address, tap on the continue button and now enter your desired password for your account. Now tap on continue and then choose your country of residence. Now you will need to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. Just check your inbox and you can either use the given 6-digit code or tap on the activation link to confirm your account. Now just provide your biometric authentication and your account will successfully be activated and you can now start verifying your identity to start trading your crypto right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Kraken crypto trading platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.